Imagine a ship so massive, so luxurious, and so advanced that the world called it unsinkable. That ship was the RMS Titanic. In April 1912, more than 2,200 passengers boarded this floating palace. From wealthy millionaires enjoying grand ballrooms to immigrants dreaming of a new life in America, Titanic carried stories, hopes, and destinies. On April 10th, Titanic set sail from Southampton. Days were calm, the ocean still, and the ship moved like a dream across the Atlantic. Captain Edward Smith had full confidence after all. Titanic was built to be indestructible. But on the night of April 14, 1912, everything changed. Just before midnight, a lookout spotted something deadly, iceberg. Right ahead, the ship turned but not fast enough. The iceberg scraped along the starboard side, tearing open 6 watertight compartments. Titanic began to sink, slowly, then faster. Chaos filled the decks. Lifeboats were launched, but there weren't enough for everyone. Women and children first, echoed across the cold night. People fought the freezing water, the darkness, and time itself. The ship split in two, disappearing beneath the Atlantic at 2:20 a.m. Over 1,500 lives were lost. Only 705 survived. Today, Titanic isn't just a shipwreck, it's a symbol of dreams, tragedy, love, human error, and the reminder that even the largest creations can be fragile. The Titanic may have sunk, but its story still rises.